What's up, JetSki brothers? It's Jacob again, here on the 1200 superjet. We got a couple of things going on, and take you through what we got going on today. Here I have the Pro Watercraft Racing intake stuffer. So this, they say, gives you 2 miles an hour, and I don't know, a more sucked down feel to the water, which I bet it probably does make it a little bit better. This is kind of the 2008 Superjets and newer have I think they have something like this that's already molded into the pump tunnel. So if you put this in your older Superjet, I think it'll make it a lot like how the newer ones are. So, except for this has also the slippery surface, and I guess that is probably why it goes faster. I don't know, maybe. We got the Solas mag pump here with the Scat Track. I think it's a 1724 prop. And right here, this is a nozzle off of a Wave Raider. And basically made this little bracket here to give me some adjustment, but I wasn't really able to use the old nozzle because it didn't have the correct fitting for the bilge siphon. So the bilge siphon setup that this comes with is, well, I'll show you, because I have another Superjet right over here that I can show you. So this is the old school round or square nose style bilge fitting, and I think only a couple of years have it like that. But basically, to have that work, you have a pump that has like an extra boss that has a hole in it that goes to, and later they decided that was a stupid design and moved on to something better. And here we've got the 2013 Superjet, which this is basically the Wave Raider nozzle in this guy. You've got the trim tab up here, only there's like a little bracket that holds it in place. It looks like it's slightly adjustable, but that's what we're going to be putting in the square nose. This tab goes up quite a ways, and there's not really clearance for it on the square nose hole, so I grounded the top of that guy off of there, and yeah, I just made a quick little easy bracket. I had to tap right here. There's two bosses and the holes are untapped, but I had to tap one of them, and you know, that'll work good enough. I can at least choose to rotate it that much, and then I'll just tighten the bolt where I want it. You know, I can point the nozzle a little bit down to kind of help with the porpoising of the older ski. So I mean, that ski's not really going to be a jumper type, freestyle-y type of thing, but so that's what the deal is with that. And then I'm gonna have to get the dual coolings all hooked up, and so yeah, not sure what I'm actually gonna show you, but we shall see. Alright guys, I found something a little bit interesting to show you. So I just saw that this little trim ring on this nozzle is got this rubber set up on it. I don't know. Yeah, but I think I read on the internet somewhere that if it's that kind with the rubber on it, it robs a few like speed off of your ski. So for some reason, I remember seeing that on the internet, and for some reason I so happen to have one of these that doesn't have the rubber on it. So yeah, because I have it, I'm gonna definitely put that on there. So yeah, that's a little interesting thing for you. I don't know if it's actually true, but I thought I read somewhere, maybe it was like Group K. Group K has a website that has interesting jet ski articles that I read from time to time. Seems like something that would be on there. They'll say stuff like, oh yeah, the 1995 Wave Raider had the blah 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 blah, and it was slower, so that's where I have gotten some interesting information that's been helpful in the past. So yeah, but that's it for that. And fortunately, when you're a jet ski brother, you just have this stuff laying around. So awesome, get it on there. Oh, hi guys. I'm in the bottom under the ski, and I just installed the Pro Watercraft Racing pump stuffer, and got that siliconed in, and now it's drying. And the Solas mag pump is installed right here. This line is going to go to the bilge siphon, and this is my added dual cooling line that's going to go to this side of the pump. This is going to be injected directly into the exhaust for quieting the ski down. And yeah, it's coming along pretty good. And I would put the nozzle on there and show you what that's going to be like, but I'm sitting down and I can't reach it with my hand right now. So, sorry. Alright guys, pump nozzle is in there, and as you can see, there's a big gap where the shims were, and with the new nozzle, it's definitely going to need some more shims. So fortunately, the way this works is this whole thing is pinned onto the wear ring, and so if it's all pinned on the wear ring, then it should be in the only spot that it can be and can be lined up. So basically I have to stick shims in here until it works good, fits in there good. Yeah, anyway, I don't know where I put, oh, so we got a few shims laying around, so this isn't going to be a problem. You know, you just stick as many in as you can to get it nice and snugged up, and then put the bolts in. So yeah, it looks like it's going to be really nice the way it's set up. The nozzle is tilted slightly down, so that's just what I wanted to do, and I bet it'll make it work great. Is he gonna go into the exhaust? Where's he gonna go? Why'd he go down there? He was going on there, huh? Come on. Okay, well. Ah. Yeah, I bet you like that part. Okay, so I got it together, and yeah, I put a buttload of shims in there. Got all the cooling lines hooked up, and yeah, I'm really happy about it. I was at first I was going to do the what is the thing called? The pump stuffer, Pro Watercraft pump stuffer. I was gonna get that later on and see what the difference was, but then I was like, oh yeah, we have like 1 million jet skis. Do you really want to take this apart another time? And so yeah, I was like, no, I'm just gonna do this one time, and I don't want to do this. I don't want to take it apart again. So yeah, now I got it all done, or at least that part, and it should be awesome. What was I gonna tell you? Did I tell you that full metal nozzle trim ring that I swapped out? I broke it, and so I didn't put it on. I have the old one on there that's supposed to rob you 2 miles an hour or whatever. So yeah, good thing I got the pump stuffer that gains you back that 2 miles an hour. So yeah, the Pro Watercraft pump stuffer. It's basically like $100 by the time you get it to your door, and it probably is pretty good. I don't think that it's a gimmicky thing. I'm pretty sure that it's a legit, like, decent thing to buy. So that's my 2 cents, so that you can spend $100. But yeah, don't you like that? What's bigger, the exhaust or the exit nozzle? It looks like the exit nozzle is just a hair bigger. Only on JetSki Brothers. So I don't know if that's it for the video, but it just might be. And so you need to go ahead and click thumbs up right now so that everybody is going to know that this is a good video. If we don't have you thumbs up this video, no one's ever going to know that this was a good video, because it is a good video. You know, not that I've watched it, but it is a good video. And we also want you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, or if you have already, just make another YouTube account and subscribe to it with that one, and so that we can get up to 1,000 subscribers more quickly. So, and of course, tell your friends about the JetSki Brothers. That would mean the world to us. And you know, we'll take any fan we can get, because we're just doing this for the fans right now, because we don't have enough subscribers to make any money. So one day we're gonna be able to make like $5 a month, and that's gonna buy us like 1 quart of premix for the whole year. So that's about it. That's it. Get out of here. Pebble in my eye. This is the best lightweight intake grate that there ever was.